Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Jaguar F-Pace bonnet. First, you'll need to locate the primary release lever inside the vehicle. This lever is usually situated in the driver's footwell, often on the left-hand side, near the door sill. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the bonnet partially releases. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety latch. Now, proceed to the front of your Jaguar F-Pace. You'll notice the bonnet is slightly lifted, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly under the front edge of the bonnet. You are looking for a secondary safety latch. It's typically positioned near the center or slightly to the left, designed to prevent accidental opening while driving. Feel around for a small lever or tab. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it to fully release the bonnet. Depending on your specific F-Pace model, you might need to push the small lever upwards or slide it to one side, usually towards the driver's side. Apply gentle but firm pressure. You should feel the latch disengage completely, allowing the bonnet to lift further without resistance. This is the second of two essential steps. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the bonnet all the way open. It will likely be quite light, but always lift with care. Look for the bonnet support rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself or along the engine bay. Unclip this rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot on the vehicle's frame. This ensures the bonnet stays safely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.